Earth. Beautiful. Boundless. And brimming with life. But nature's balance is starting to slip. There's still time to effect meaningful change. We must act now to protect our planet for future generations. Born in 2005, rechargeable eneloop embodies the concept of for life and the Earth. People everywhere love its clean, functional, sustainable design. Now we embark on a new journey with eneloop. Introducing the eneloop Nature Conservation Program, empowering us to give back to nature. With your help, we can make a real difference. It's a modest beginning, yet a meaningful one. Join our ambition to make the initiative global, for life and the Earth, and for our children.
Panasonic.